Hi friends, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing good. Today I am going to make a white paper greeting card for Eid. For this, take an A4 paper and fold it into half. Then using a circular lid, draw a circle. Then I am making small stars and moon here using different color sketch pens. In the same way, complete the circle. Now mark points at 2.5 cm intervals and draw lines as shown. Then take an yellow color paper and fold it as shown. Draw a small star and cut it out. In this way we will get 5 stars. Glue the stars as shown. And then add dots as shown. And then outline the stars. Now you can write Eid Mubarak in the middle and write our message inside the card. And that's it, our Eid Mubarak card is now ready. I hope you all liked the video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Eid Mubarak to all of you. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.